Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of TikTok as you see, and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your